So we're going to make one of these folk art sun-moon designs today. I'm going to start by tracing a circle. You could trace any circle you have in your house. I'm using this tape, but you could also use a bowl or a big cup or something like that. So trace a circle. Now I'm going to draw in my moon shape. I'm giving it kind of a profile, like a nose and a mouth. Profile is when you look at a face from the side. So I'm going to start at the top of my circle and just make a line that goes straight down with a little area for a nose and a mouth. Now I'm going to draw in my face. I am going to put eyes in for the moon, but it also is kind of an eye for the sun too. Put two eyes for the sun, mouth, and a nose. You can draw them however you want. Now, making lines at the top and the bottom of my face, I'm going to kind of separate my paper into two different areas. One for daytime and one for nighttime. Now I'm going to draw in my sun rays. You can use triangles or these kind of wavy triangle kind of shapes that I'm doing. Also going to put a little triangle kind of shape inside those. I'm using oil pastels, but you can use whatever you like. Crayons work really well for this because then you can watercolor over it, and that's kind of nice with this kind of project. I'm going to put in some white areas for the clouds because this is my daytime side, so it's going to look like the daytime. Now I'm going to think about what to put in on the nighttime side. I'm going to put in stars. I'm going to use yellow and white because I'm going to watercolor over this later, and I know I'll be able to see my yellow and white. I think I'll also put in a shooting star, but you could put in anything you can think of that might be in the nighttime sky. Now I'm going to use the watercolors. I'm going to put in black for my nighttime sky, and I'm going to paint my sun and blue for the daytime side. I think it is a good idea to use watercolors and crayons if you have them. I think that these will turn out a lot better that way. But if you don't, that's fine. We can still make good art with whatever you've got. This image has been made a whole bunch of times. Take your time with it, and your folk art Mexican sun will turn out really great. When you're done with it, you can upload your project to Artsonia. And I hope you have as much fun making your folk art Mexican sun as I did making mine. Bye, everybody.